So here is the R3D GoPod for naked GoPro 6. I bought it from this website. Yeah, and they are in New York, America, if I don't misremember. And I bought it because I want a low profile naked GoPro, which is yeah, it is a low profile mount, and it is a flat design with a twisted lens housing here. It twisted to 90 degree. Originally it looks like this. This is the top plate, and this is the bottom plate, and this is the lens housing. And I'm sorry that I break it somehow. Maybe I keep it in a poor condition so the material degrade. But I want to show you that this design has some flaws which I don't like at all. First, here the lens housing is flexible. It's flexible in every aspect, yeah, and it cost many yellows in the video feed, so I have to fix it. And this maybe I did not mount it as it is designed for two, because originally there are 4 ears here, 1 2 3 4, that you should bend it down like this and secure the ear onto your drone with the screw that they gave you. But in my application I don't like it, so I want to put the naked GoPro on a flat surface, so I cut the ears off, and that may cause the yellow, but I don't know. Anyway, the lens housing is flex so bad in my opinion. And then in order to flush the bottom to be flat, I cannot cut or remove these protruding material because they are there for securing the screw, so I have to add more materials on the bottom, at the bottom side, which I use a thick cardboard and some foam. So the yellow problem also caused by this very thin section that hole between the hole the main plate to the screw section of the lens housing. And if I add some downward pressure here, it will flex here. If you can see, it flexes so bad too. So there are two flexible parts in this design. So I fixed it by reinforce the whole thing with fiberglass and add a thick cardboard, a very stiff cardboard here, along the length between the screw hole of the lens housing, along the length until the end of the top plate here. So by doing these two modifications, the fiberglassing and adding a brace using a thick cardboard here, so it solve the problem. Oh, and I also redesigned the lens housing. I did not use this lens housing. I redesigned it using a Macau design, but I have to redesign many things in order to make it fit with this R3D Shifter GoPod. And I also add a foot here, a little foot here, so in order to secure it with the top head, or in this case I tilt it up, so I can, but I can still add some thick foam between the foot and the top plate, so it is just like adding more reinforcement. Not by I will not rely only on the single screw here in order to fix the angle of the lens housing. I also use this foot and this part to reinforce the lens housing, so to make sure that it won't move in any occasion. Okay, and that is it. And pretty much this video is just to remind me of the work I have done. I made this naked GoPro like a year ago, also almost a year ago. So it's just a recap of what I done. If you are watching until if you are watching till now, thank you so much. I hope you have some information on making your own naked GoPro. And goodbye.